Welcome to the instructions video for the Parallel Resistor Interactive Calculator. This powerful tool helps you calculate the equivalent resistance when multiple resistors are connected in parallel, along with branch currents and power dissipation for each resistor in your circuit. To use this calculator, start by entering the supply voltage for your circuit. Then, input the resistance values for each resistor in your parallel network. You can add multiple resistors as needed for your design. For our example, let's enter 12 volts as the supply voltage and add 3 resistors with values of 100 ohms, 200 ohms, and 300 ohms. Once you've entered all your values, click the Calculate button. The calculator will display the total equivalent resistance of your parallel circuit, the current flowing through each individual branch, and the power being dissipated by each resistor. These results are essential for ensuring your components are properly rated and your circuit will function safely. We have thousands of other free engineering calculators on our website. Head over and check them out.